Shege. The church has tonight weighed in on the ongoing crisis in the education and health sectors by calling on the government to urgently resolve the standoff. The Anglican Church of Kenya, Archbishop Jackson Ole Sapit, says the suspension of services by private hospitals to those using Social Health Authority cover is causing thousands of Kenyans untold suffering. The church also wants the Education Ministry to stop its grandstanding and release funds to university lecturers and capitation to schools. Citizen TV's Ben Kirui with the details.
It was during the conclusion of the 27th ordinary session of the Provincial Assembly of the Clergy, where church leaders gathered in prayer and reflection over the state of the nation. Top on the agenda was the ongoing stalemate surrounding the Social Health Authority (SHA), which has resulted in private health facilities withholding services to patients under the new scheme. The church urging the government to resolve the impasse, noting the critical risk it poses to public access to healthcare.
We demand with Kenyans that SHA puts her house in order and prioritize payments of funds owed to all hospitals to enable them to continue to offer services.
Also of concern to the church is the ongoing crisis in the education sector, which the church described as dire. The ACK pointed to the ongoing university lecturer strike and the delayed disbursement of capitation funds to school as key contributors to the paralysis of learning across the country.
Delayed capitation coupled with an affordable education is putting quality education and general access beyond the reach of many. Government must swiftly act to address the lecturers' grievances and solve this perennial problem once and for all.
1 month into the third and final academic term, many schools continue to struggle amid a significant funding shortfall, a situation that has left parents and institutions in distress. Turning to the governance, the ACK welcomed the recent rollout of the electronic government procurement system as a step towards curbing corruption. However, it called on the Treasury not to ignore the concerns raised by the Council of Governors.
However, it is essential that the resistance and concern by governors be addressed in the interest in promoting a buy-in. It is important that such matters be addressed exhaustively.
The state of the economy was also a major point of concern. The church decried the rising levels of unemployment and the growing sense of hopelessness among citizens. As the clergy closed the two-day session, their message was clear. Urgent action is needed to address the deepening challenges affecting Kenyans across multiple sectors. Ben Kirui, Citizen TV, Nairobi.